Hi everybody and welcome back to our Canva tutorials. Today we're looking at how to curve text in Canva. So we've just got our blank canvas here. We're going to go to our left hand menu and add our text. We're just going to use a default text for this example, but I am going to put in 2 and you'll see why in a moment. So when we have our text, you can change the font up here to whatever font you would like it to be. You can change the size, change the color. When you're happy with what you have, then you can look at curving your text. So we're going to click on the text we want to curve, and up on our top menu we're going to scroll across to Effects. We're going to click on Effects, and on our menu that pops up, we're scrolling right to the bottom and clicking on Curve. Now when you see that, you can see that that's curved, but that might be too curved for you, or it might not be curved enough. So if we scroll down, you will see underneath this, once we click on this icon here that says curve, our curve bar appears, and you can see here that we have a dragging dot. And I'm going to drag this dot and you're going to see what happens to our text up here. So this is 100, that is the tightest curve that you can do. But if we scroll back this way, you can see that our curve gets less and less tight as we curve that down to the center. And back to the center obviously is no curve at all. But we can keep going back this way and we can actually curve it in the other direction. All the way back to 100 that way and 100 this way. So we're going to curve it just nicely that way for our top one. And now you'll see with our bottom one, we might want to curve it the other way. So we're going to curve it that way. Just a nice curve that matches the top curve. Bring those down, bring this one up, and now you can see we have a curve at the top and a curve at the bottom. So there we have our curved text in Canva, and you can still click on it and you can still change any wording. If you spelled a word wrong, you can change the color or the size or the font of your text there, and you will have your curved text for your creation in Canva. Enjoy. I'll see you next time.